4 of those, I believe, in this size. And that is one of 2 that remain in operation. The other one, does anyone want to guess where the other one might be? Not quite. Yes.
Because one of the trains came from Six Flags.
Yes, the other one's in Six Flags St. Louis. The other one, the third one that remains intact is in private storage. Yes, we were talking about the sand system earlier. The red train's the big brass dome. The green train is the forward dome. Keep sand in there. We blast air into it. It goes down.